Hi, this is Joey Jojo, and you are at the Froggys Fog booth. This is InfoComm 2026, and today we are looking at the TJ10 Turbojet fog machine. Now, this is the closest you're going to get to a CO2 replacement fog machine, and that's because this unit isn't just a regular fog machine shooting up. There's a bunch of stuff inside, like a compression chamber, that really gives you that oomph that you get with a CO2. Now, the coloring on top is RGBA, which is red, green, blue, and amber. So instead of talking, let's show you this in action. That will shoot up 50 plus feet. One other thing that's really nice about this unit is it can go in any direction. You can have it go up, you can have it shoot out sideways, or you can completely reverse the unit. You can rotate the tank like this, and you can have it shoot down. Anyways, once again, thank you for stopping by the Froggys Fog booth. You can get this directly on our website at froggysfog.com. Thanks a lot.